Welcome to our birthday celebration. Happy birthday, Kuya! We've been eating for around 10 to 15 minutes and still
Sabi mo,
ang dami
kapag
pa
hindi
din
naubos,
pagkain.
doble yung bayad.
May
Pag
sinasabi.
hindi naubos, doble yung bayad.
Hi! And we're going to stay here for another hour para ubusin to lahat. Hello everyone, I'm here with my special co-host. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? So until now, we haven't finished the food yet. Kung pwede lang iuwi lahat, but unfortunately, it's not possible. So, essential na po, iiwan namin lahat ng food. Kanina, ang daming tao dyan. Punong-puno yan ng food. Punong-puno ng tao. Yes, Jaren. Ito. Okay lang. Tell them your name. What's your name? Tell them your name. She is shy. Eventually, this little girl will be in my vlog. Right? Hi! Oh, there's the first hello. Do you know what superheroes do during their day off? Nagra-rides kami. Tingnan nyo si Spider-Man, Captain America, Spider-Man Black, another Spider-Man here. Kapag naka-day off ang mga superheroes, nagra-rides. Ganda. Ganda naman. By the way, gusto lang namin magpasalamat kina Ate Kat dahil in-invite nila kami dito. 40 real lang. Unlimited food and then unlimited rides. So, sulit na sulit talaga. Kumain ka pa, nakapag-enjoy na. The sad part, kapag nasa amusement park ako, hindi ako sumasakay. So tagahawak lang ako ng bag, camera, at sila nakatila. So hindi lahat ng superhero matatapang. Si Flash, takot sa ganyan. Alam niyo ba kung ano yung nagbigay ng trauma sa akin dito sa amusement park? Yan. Yung ganyan yan sa Enchanted Kingdom, mula nung sinumpa ko na lahat ng rides, hindi na ako sasakay. Bakit ko bubuwis buhay ko dyan? There you go. Hi, say hi.
Hi.
There you go. We're in the teacup teapot. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Jerry, Jerry.
I love it.
Hold Tito, Jerry. Hold Tito. Jerry, dito ka lang. Ako yung nasa stress sa'yo. Look who we found! The extended family, the Friday group of Jacob. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Hi! Finally, we're done and we're off to... Saan tayo pupunta? Wala pa, hindi pa alam kung saan pupunta. Pero it has been such a wonderful day, right guys? Thank you for the company. Thank you for the fellowship. Bye, till next time.